Hey guys, it's Chris. Today we are going to be talking about the best vehicle, towed vehicle, I should say, for 2023. Obviously, this is kind of a subjective and arbitrary choice on our part. We don't necessarily have any data to back this up. But as far as RVI goes, we deal with towed vehicles day in and day out. It's what we do. And so of all the towed vehicles on the market, we have identified this one vehicle as the best possible towed vehicle you could purchase. Now, that's not to say there's not many other towed vehicles on the market that are great. There are. So don't feel like you have to choose this vehicle if it doesn't suit your lifestyle, but it's a great option if you're looking. So before we get into that though, I want to talk about kind of the three primary guiding tenets you should be looking for when you're looking for a towed vehicle. And this is true regardless. This is true this year, next year, and forever going forward, to be honest. But the very first thing you're going to want to always do is consider your lifestyle. Every RVer is going to be different. A lot of you may really love off-roading when you get to a spot where you're going. Others of you may love touring wine country and that kind of thing. There's anything and everything in between that. But your lifestyle is going to play a pretty important role in the towed vehicle that you purchase. So make sure you consider that. If you're doing more of the wine Napa kind of thing, you may want something more like a sedan, something that's small, compact, easy to drive around. Or if you're off-roading, you may want to go with something more heavy duty that can withstand that. So just keep that in mind. The second thing that you want to always consider is what we say is the KISS principle. Now you may have heard it as keep it simple, stupid. We want to say keep it simple and safe, because when you're RVing, that is the most important thing, safety. So keep it simple, keep it safe. You want something that's got a very few number of steps to get into its flat tow mode, and something that's going to withstand the rigors of flat towing. So make sure that you keep an eye on some of those more technical aspects of things when you go to purchase a vehicle. Great guideline is to go check the owner's manual of the towed vehicle you're looking at and flip to the recreational towing section. It will tell you a lot about that towed vehicle. So that's the second thing. The third thing is that you want to check your accessories. And that's really important because a lot of towed vehicles nowadays, they're very complicated. They've got a lot of computers, a lot of different things going on under the hood. And so you may need certain accessories like a towed battery charger, like a towed battery disconnect, stuff like that. You might need something like our breakaway wireless adapter because maybe it's just impossible to get through that firewall. So you want to check all of these different things before you purchase your towed vehicle. You want to be aware of them. What might you need in addition to a braking system that maybe is out of the ordinary? So those are the three big things to consider whenever you're looking for a towed vehicle. Again, that's true today and forever. But all in all, with these three things in mind, as a general best towed vehicle on the market, there really isn't a better one than the Jeep Gladiator. And we're not receiving any paid promotion for this, by the way. We just love this car. Dan, our president, has one and uses it to tow and as his daily driver. It's a wonderful car. In the past, the Jeep Wrangler has kind of always been the standard for flat towing. It's just easy to get in and out of that mode. It is pretty suitable for most lifestyles, and it doesn't require a lot of accessories, kind of going back to our top three. But the added benefit of the truck bed on the Gladiator is hard to pass up, and it kind of takes all the features of the Wrangler and just enhances pretty much all of them. So again, really easy, great for a lot of lifestyles, and it's very simple and it's very safe. Again, if you've got any questions on towed vehicles, the Jeep Gladiator, or really anything else, don't hesitate to reach out to our customer service team. We're always available by phone, chat, or email, and we love talking to you guys. But in the meantime, happy RVing.